Hey, Clay. Mm.
Let's make a wonderful BigWig. Don't forget to smile while doing it. We're going to use 3 colors of clay: violet, orange, and yellow. Let's make legs. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 2 middle balls. Roll them into sausages with your fingers. Then pin them with your finger. Congratulations! Legs are done. It's time to model a body. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 1 big ball. Then roll into a sausage with your hand. Well done! The body is done. Model arms. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 2 middle balls. Roll them into sausages with your fingers. Then bend them with your fingers and turn them. You've done it! Arms are done. Now make fingers. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 6 little balls. Roll into a sausage with your fingers. Then bend them with your fingers and turn them. You've done it! Arms are done. Now make fingers. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 6 little balls. Now make fingers. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 6 little balls. Great job! Fingers are done. It's time to model fingers. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 6 little balls. Then roll them into sausages with your fingers. Great job! Fingers are done. It's time to model lips. Take a piece of orange clay and roll 1 middle ball. Roll into a sausage with your hand. Then bend lips with your fingers. And press with your finger. Then pin with your finger. Hooray! Lips are done. Let's model nails. Take a piece of orange clay and roll 12 little balls. and flatten them with your finger. Super! Come on! Nails are done. Next, make eyes. Take a piece of yellow clay and roll 2 little balls. Well done! Eyes are done. Let's model spots. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 50 little balls. And flatten with your finger. Hooray! Spots are done. Congratulations! Now your BigWig is fully done.
I was dreaming of being in your collection. Which of my best friends do you think wants to be in it too?